I'm a mother of two lovely girls, and I'm very proud of it. Um, but it is not one over the other. It's not about boy or a girl. We need to love our girls and boys in the same way. Boys are the mind, girls are the heart. Can we live without either of them? We need the mind, we need our brains, we need our heart, we need to be together. It's not either it's a girl or a boy, it's both together equal. It's a great cause to sensitize our society that we need our girls. And I love my daughters, and I'm proud of being a mother of two lovely children,
And
girls.
what did you say about such kind of events like fashion shows and encouraging for such kind of programs? और exactly कुछ इंटेलेक्चुअल सोसाइटी के वो जो है बॉलीवुड और इस तरह के फैशन शोज पर हमेशा इल्ज़ाम लगाते रहे कि वो लेडीज़ को विमेंस को एक गलत अंदाज में वल्गर अंदाज में पेश करते हैं मूवीज़ में. लाइक क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Shamak's show Selkut is fantastic. It shows कि हम किस तरह से हम एक तरह से कहते हैं the earth is a mother and Devi Ma and all that, and how badly we treat our girls, how badly we treat women. So his show was really, मैं तो वो graphic देख भी नहीं पाई. I couldn't see what he was showing, but that is our reality. हम जैसे लोग जो देख भी नहीं सकते उस तरह की reality किसी दूसरे पे बीतती है. So this kind of sensitivity and sensitizing our society is so important. और हम जो भी करते हैं, we are all into it. Shamak was fantastic, the show, and I also heard a lot of people making a lot of donations towards the cause. ये सारी बातें ठीक है, the performances are all right, the event is good, but the basic purpose is to collect funds to save our children and do the right thing. And I think this is a fantastic event. So hats off to all the people, the Lilavati Hospital, to every single person who's involved in such a program. Hats off to you, and I'm very proud to be here, and I congratulate them. I wish them with all my heart, and I'm also saying that I'm proud to be a woman. I'm proud to be a mother of two lovely girls. So all in all, this is what we need to do.
Ma'am, when this last year was happening at the professional front, I mean, say, when we are just going to see you at
Well, I've just started with the South movies. जब पहली बार भी मैंने अपनी इनिंग शुरू की थी, मैंने हमेशा कहा था कि आई वांट टू बी ओनली इन हिंदी मूवीज़. पता नहीं किस तरह से तमिल फिल्म एंड मलयालम फिल्म में मेरी एंट्री हो गई, और उसी तरह से इस बार भी जब मैं चाह रही थी कि आई वांट टू वर्क अगेन इन द मूवीज़, आई वाज ओनली थिंकिंग अबाउट बॉलीवुड, आई वाज ओनली थिंकिंग अबाउट हिंदी फिल्म्स. But as luck would have it, I have done a wonderful Telugu film which is released, and my Tamil film is releasing next month, and I'm waiting for wonderful producers and directors like Mr. Raju Hirani and others to look at me and say, hey Madhu, we want you back.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.